Morning friends, let me show you how I installed my new shiny house number today. We will do this together, step by step. You will need impact wrench, a drill, nail puller, pencil, screws, and wall plugs.
Go.
Step 1, please locate your position. Step 2, drill on your marked points. Step 3, insert the wall plugs. Step 4, drill in the nail and the number. Now repeat the process for the other number. That's all my friends, I hope you liked my video. Please support my channel and click like and subscribe for more simple DIY videos. P.S. This is my first video in this channel.